Now I feel so stressed. Cause no matter how me apply from last year, me apply for work and all, I can't get through with nothing. Why Jamaica just hard so? I wonder if what is? I can't apply for that work here. What is? Yeah, I can't work on one. Yeah, I can work on one cell phone company because I love talk on phone. So hopefully I can. Name, Tasha Road, date of birth. Never see my certificate from me, Bonnie, but I look 16. Why do you want to work with us? I need the money. List your education. Not applicable. What is your work experience? Certificate in a nail TECK. Are you willing to relocate as long as my baby father come with me? Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Not even know which part I see myself later. I'm not even know if I get to go peaches dance. Much less for know which part I see myself in the next 5 years. How can I hear that question them here? Are you available to work on weekend and public holiday? Nah. I love us default. Work on public holiday. I don't know say holiday at girl something. Name one of your strengths. My right hand. Cause any girl me throw back laugh I must connect. Name your weakness. My baby father dog face. Are you flexible and able to travel overseas? I'm flexible for the 6:30, so I'm most flexible for travel overseas. Nah lie. I must get that work here.